up your colors, let's begin. Draw a happy world with a smile and grin. Red and yellow, blue and green, paint the brightest you've ever seen. Every picture tells a story. Art is fun for everyone. Little hands can draw today, learning colors while we play. Sun and flowers, birds that fly, rainbow dancing in the sky. Every line is full of cheer. Happy art is always here. Draw a tree so big and tall, paint a house beside it all. Blue sky, green grass everywhere, happy hearts with love and care. Make your dreams come shining through. Every masterpiece is you. Grab your pencils, 1, 2, 3. Draw the world so happily. Color butterflies so bright, fill the day with pure delight. Smile and sing while you create. Art makes every moment great. Paint the sunshine, paint the sea. Draw a world for you and me. Happy colors all around. Joy and laughter can be found. Every picture starts with fun. Keep on drawing, everyone. Let's draw together every day. Learn and laugh while we play. Hearts and stars and sky so blue. Every dream can come true. Color, smile and proudly sing. Art makes happiness take wing.